Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. This is Victor Brown, Better Update. Now today I want to show you guys how to get a secret Wi-Fi password. You get them? Secret Wi-Fi password in any area. If they like me, they lock them anywhere. With this app, you can get it. You can get the password for free. Now follow me, like the video and share it. Let me show you guys how to do it. Thank you.
Okay guys, so come to your Play Store, okay, and type this. Okay, type this guys. Okay, Bridge, blah blah blah. You understand? I don't want to complete the words. I don't want this guy problem. Okay, now the one that you're going to install is the one that have this logo.